This is the Clayton Mark YRK1 repair kit for the 5451 yard hydrant, as well as the yard hydrants that have the 2506K or the 2506-K on the handle as well. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the package here and see what everything it comes with. So it will come with this sheet here. Go ahead and open it up. As you can see, this sheet will come with a lot of information on it. So how a frostproof hydrant works, a couple other little detailed parts here, gives you a little parts breakdown. Then on the back, it's got the installation, and then an adjustment procedure kind of walk through as well. So then the kit will also come with the 2 link straps. Bolt here, the connector with the screw as well, the packing nut, the plunger, this little hex nut here, this graphite packing, and I believe this should be, and another graphite packing in here as well. Okay, so we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part here in the kit. We'll start with the plunger. The plunger is this hard rubber material, and then that brass rod in there as well that has those female threads. So total length of the plunger, so it'll measure right at about 1.25 inches, and then an outer diameter of right at about 1 inch. And then we can measure the packing nut as well. That will be hexed, and then those male threads there. So a total length of the packing nut measures right at about 3/4 inch, with an outer diameter of right about just above 3/4 inch. And this graphite packing here is kind of slippery. So we'll get a total length. Let me get it about right there. We can see that graphite packing measures just above 1/2 inch with an outside diameter of just above 1/2 inch. And we can measure the 2 link plates or link straps. See, they'll measure just the same as well. We'll get a total length, and that'll measure just shy of 3 inches. And a total width about 1.25 inches. And measuring that bolt there, measuring right at 2 inches right there at the end of the threads. And then we'll take a couple measurements of that pivot connector there. So we'll thread that screw in and just try to get a measurement of the connector. And that'll measure right at just above 1 inch, so right at about 1 1/8 inches. And once again, this is the Clayton Mark YRK1 hydrant repair kit.